Back in 2010, just mentioning the phrase artificial general intelligence or AGI would get you some seriously weird looks. People thought the idea was straight out of a sci-fi movie, something that was at least 50 or even 100 years away, if it was even possible at all. Talk of AI was kind of embarrassing back then, and folks generally thought we were a bit strange for pursuing it. Boy, have times changed. It didn't take long before AI started outperforming humans in a wide range of tasks that were previously thought to be light years away. From understanding images and translating languages to transcribing speech and even diagnosing diseases, AI was knocking it out of the park. People finally woke up to the fact that AI was going to have a massive impact, and they started asking tough questions. Will AI solve the climate crisis? Does it mean we'll all get universal basic income and never have to work again? Should I be afraid of AI? What does it mean for weapons and war? And of course, the age-old question, will China beat us in the AI race? All valid concerns. But there's one fundamental question that really got me thinking. Hello friends, let's continue. But first I would like to ask for your help. Like the video and follow the channel, as this motivates us to continue creating content. Thank you. So, let me offer you a metaphor to help us all grapple with this pivotal moment in human history. I believe AI should be understood as a new digital species, our companions on the journey of life. Now, don't take this too literally, but I predict that we'll come to see them as partners, almost like digital friends or confidants. From the earliest microscopic organisms billions of years ago, life on Earth has evolved and diversified. Then, a few million years back, one branch started using tools, and that branch became us, human beings. We went on to create an incredible variety of tools, progressing from stone axes and fire to language, writing, and eventually industrial technologies. About 80 years ago, another new branch emerged with the invention of computers. We quickly advanced from mainframes and transistors to today's smartphones and VR headsets. And now, we're riding the wave of artificial intelligence, the fastest and most consequential technological revolution ever. In just 18 months, over 1 billion people have used large language models, witnessing one landmark AI event after another. A few years ago, people said AI could never be creative or empathetic. But today, AI is an endless river of creativity, generating poetry, images, music, and videos that stretch the imagination. Millions of people now enjoy meaningful conversations with AIs, discussing their hopes and dreams, and working through emotional challenges. AI can drive cars, manage energy grids, and even invent new molecules, tasks that were impossible just a few years back. And this is all turbocharged by spiraling exponentials of data and computation. The amount of computational power and data these models consume is mind-boggling, growing at an incredible rate year over year. So, what does this mean in practice? Just as the internet gave us browsers and smartphones brought us apps, cloud-based supercomputers are ushering in an era of ubiquitous AIs. Soon, everything will be represented by a conversational interface, a personal AI assistant infinitely knowledgeable, factually accurate, and incredibly intelligent and emotionally intelligent. But things really get interesting when these AIs develop what I call their actions quotient, the ability to get stuff done in the digital and physical world. Before long, it won't just be people who have AI assistants. Strange as it may sound, every organization, business, town, and even objects will have their own unique interactive AI persona. These won't be mere mechanistic assistants, but companions, confidants, colleagues, friends, and partners, as varied and unique as we are. At this point, AIs will convincingly imitate humans at most tasks, and will feel their presence at intimate scales, like an AI organizing a community get-together, as well as at larger scales, like accelerating scientific discovery or running power stations. They'll interact with us and each other, speaking every language, taking in sights, sounds, and streams of information far surpassing what any one of us could consume in 1,000 lifetimes. So, what exactly are we creating here? If we want to prioritize safety above all else and ensure this new wave serves and amplifies humanity, we need to find the right metaphors and mental models. Calling them mere tools doesn't capture their dynamic, integrated, and emergent nature. That's why I believe the digital species metaphor is the most accurate and honest way to describe what's coming. It helps us focus on the critical issues, like the risks, boundaries we need to impose, and the kind of AI we want to build or allow to be built. Now, I get it, this is a super arresting thought. But here's the thing, The benefits of this technology are stunningly obvious, and they inspire my life's work every single day. We need solutions for healthcare, education, and the climate crisis. And if AI delivers just a fraction of its potential, the next decade will be the most productive in human history. In the past, economic growth often came with huge downsides like colonization, dangerous working conditions, and pollution. But with AI, we have the opportunity to do it radically better because we're not discovering a new continent and plundering its resources. We're building one from scratch. AI isn't just another invention, it's an infinite inventor itself. And while that's exciting, promising, concerning, and intriguing all at once, it's also pretty surreal. But step back and see it on the long view of glacial time, and these metaphors make perfect sense. Since the beginning of life on Earth, we've been evolving, changing, and creating our human world. AI isn't something outside of this story. It's the culmination of everything we've created, distilled into something we can all interact with and benefit from. It's a reflection of humanity across time. Here's what I would tell myself the next time I ask myself, what is AI? AI isn't separate. It isn't even new. AI is us. It's all of us. And this is perhaps the most promising and vital thing of all, even a 6-year-old can grasp. As we build out AI, we can and must reflect all that is good, all that we love, all that is special about humanity, our empathy, kindness, curiosity, and creativity. This, my friends, is the greatest challenge and the most wonderful, inspiring, and hopeful opportunity of the 21st century for all of us. There you have it, folks, a glimpse into the mind-blowing world of AI and how it's shaping up to be our digital companions, confidants, and partners on the journey of life. It's a pivotal moment in human history, and we have the incredible opportunity to infuse this new species with the best parts of ourselves. So, let's embrace this revolution with open arms and ensure that AI amplifies and serves humanity in the most positive way possible.